Welcome to AMP Research. My name is Mark Wronski. I'm the Director of Marketing. So let's go take a look.
One of the things we wanted to show is that AMP Research, our engineering department, we have a full R&D shop with all machine tools and fabrication devices that we need to actually see the parts come to life. So there's two really important components to what we do. And one is the work we do in the computer world with CAD modeling and simulating the parts we're going to make. But then our engineering team also, we have full access to this fabrication shop, and we can come in and make the parts and modify them and tweak them. And we also, we get our hands dirty working on the parts. We struggle with the installations. We're under the trucks. We're making things fit. We're fabbing parts when we have to. And I think that combination between the CAD world and the design world and the work we do behind the desk, coupled with working out in the shop and actually fabricating and working on the parts that we make, I think is a really good combination, and that's why you get such quality parts from AMP Research.
What I like most about working at AMP is, first of all, is the type of things that we're working on. It's exciting product, working on cars, and it's something that we're all involved with, we're all using, and so coming up with new products for vehicles is just a fun thing to do. And the environment that we have here is just the team that we get to work with. We're a small team, so we kind of get to do everything here. We get to see the product from concept to go into production, then actually see it on a vehicle. It's really fun. One thing you need to know about AMP Research is not only do we supply the aftermarket, we supply the OEMs. And every one of our products, we design them to last. We're heavily driven on customer feedback. We like to know what the customers think of our product. We like to know what they like about it, what they don't like about it, what they'd like to see added to it. We get input internally, we get input from our customers, we just try to take all that input. We try to drive all of our ideas, all of our innovation based on existing problems out there, and we try to solve them, and so we just try to be good listeners.
I'm tech support. There's three of us that run tech support. You call in with your questions. We answer install questions if you're needing parts. We can also get you set up with your replacement parts and general install questions. A lot of guys, even though there's instructions, they'll always have those little questions they need answered. What's nice about having engineers this close to tech support is if I get something that just totally stumps me, or something intricate of how it was built, I just go around the corner, I ask the question, or send an email over, and I can get an answer. AMP Research, it's quality and honesty and an American-made product.
All of our products are designed, they're invented and designed, engineered in the United States. We've been committed to manufacturing in the U.S. since we came here 30 years ago. Our founder, Horst Leitner, was an immigrant here, a brilliant engineer and a designer who's still at the helm of the company.
When we showed it first in Vegas at the SEMA show, and the first customer was Ford Motor Company. They came up and said, hey, we like that. We would like to have this for our new Explorer, where we have the small bed as a pickup truck. Dodge, GM, Toyota, Nissan. Yeah.
And you still sell those products today, do you know?
Yes.
Same
even
customers?
today. Same customers. We make a good product.